Hey yo, what's poppin' everyone? So as usual, this is Code Row, and today we'll try to solve some lead code problems. We're uploading a video every day. This day 19, I think. Tomorrow, yesterday, we did some lead code about the sliding window pattern. Today we're gonna solve some lead code about the two pointers pattern, where we have at least four problems to solve. So the first problem was gonna move zeros. His topic is about Naruto. We're gonna organize mission supplies in the Ninja Toolkit. Problem 2 is the subsequence. We're gonna decode the message from Jiraiya. And problem 3 and 4 is going to be medium. They're gonna gather chakra infused water for the team, and from balanced Shinobi pair for team mission. Bring anything you can drink and enjoy the stream. By the way, you can find me on GitHub, or you can find me on LinkedIn or Instagram. My social media link is on the YouTube bio. And without further ado, let's jump to the lead code problems. So as I said, we're gonna solve some two pointers. The two pointers, where it is? The two pointers problems. So the video of today was a little bit what is it? Was a little bit early, but that's okay, man. So here you are given. Let me first explain the two pointers pattern. So the two pointers pattern is a pattern to reduce the time complexity of the search. And this pattern is very common, and they use it in, for example, palindrome string to prove its palindrome. So let's suppose you have a. Why this is not working? Okay. So this and that. So now it's cool. Let's suppose you have this word A, B, C, E, C, B, A. So if you're gonna work with the classic way, so you have to make a pointer that is gonna check, for example, you're gonna make a list, and for A you give 0, for B, for C 2, for E 3, and then 2 1 0, and then search if two numbers for where's the mouse? That's problem here. So and then check if every number, and then or just give a pointer and a second pointer. So you're gonna make a two loops for E and for G, and that will make the complexity N02, and we don't want that. We want a less complexity. So we're gonna just iterate through a single pointer. So this is I. We're gonna make a for loop for I inferior of len of string. We're gonna check if we're gonna initialize two variables, start, which is 0, and end, which is len of string. And if string of start not equal string of end, we're gonna return false. And if not, we're gonna and then we're gonna increment every variable, so start plus plus and minus minus, and then after all that, if he didn't return false, it's gonna return true. Very simple, very basic, but it's very efficient. So let's start. We have here you're given a integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining a relative order the non-zero element. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. So we're gonna modify the original array. We cannot make a copy of this array. So I think this is pretty simple. We just have to iterate through the list array again. Change the color. Yeah, we're gonna iterate through the list, like 1, 0, 2, 3, and 0. Whenever we find, we're gonna iterate it from the two directions. Here e plus 1 and here e I minus 1. And if we find a 0, if array of I of start, or if array of start equal 0, then we just have to delete it, array of I, and append it to the last. Hey, hello girl, how are you? Hope you're fine. Welcome stream. So stream of the day is still a bit late, but here we are. Well, I think we can work this in Java, but it's gonna be it's not that hard, I think, even in Java. So just want the so they were solving the two pointers problem. Those one, we're gonna practice the 2 pointers pattern, and yeah, just want to check the delete and insert in array Java. So the function implement find element. No, I don't have to find. Okay. So in position. Okay, this is defined. Inserting in the end. The more than equal. Cannot insert more element if n it's already more than equal to capacity. Okay. So then if equal key return n plus 1. Okay, this is more difficult, I think, than Python. There's no the add Java. No, add array Java. I think we have to add element. I think we have the add function in Java. And the delete. Okay. Inserting, no, delete. Oh. Function delete element. Okay. Find element. Okay, so we're gonna translate it by 1. Not translate n minus 1. No, let's just make it in Python. So I think it's in Python is more simple. So we'll just have to define start equals 0 and equal len of array. And then I'm gonna iterate through it for range n if what do you think of? So if array of start, is there a more simpler one? If array of start equals 0, then we're gonna delete the array start, and I'm gonna append. You already have 2 pointers, not an end. You don't need. Oh yeah, we don't need it. We don't need it actually. Yeah. While start. It's a while loop. While start lower than end. Okay. If array of we're gonna break the loop when we if the string is if array of start equal array of end, so then we're gonna break it. Girl, you freak me out, man. When I say him, I think I'm wrong. So if array of start equals in start and array dot append 0 and if and if and I'm going to delete and append 0. What if it's the last position? But yeah. And then we have to append increment start and decrement wire delete and just stop with a non-zero element. Swap, but we don't. We have to make the order the same. Or the solution that I keep swapping it through all the list. I think deleting it is way too simple. First of all, n should be len Adam. Yeah. Yeah, -1. And return. We're gonna return array. Nums. It's nums from the beginning. Nums. So. Also, start the start to the left and to the right. If you find 0, swap. And noise. Also, start the start with left and right. And end with right. If we find 0 swap with the right, otherwise let the left keep going. Okay, let me just collect those and then we'll discuss about the radio. So we fix and at this, and so we fix and in the end, but then if the right is, if it's here, then we're gonna mess up the order. So okay, if start is here and end is here, so we're gonna swap it. We're gonna swap 0 with 12, so it will be 12 1. Yeah, so it will be 1 3 12. No, it will be 12 1 3. Let's just draw it. Okay, I'm gonna just draw it. So let's say we have this. Okay, so if this is start and this is end. Okay, now for e equal 0 there is nothing. If I equal 2 or y start equal 2 and end equal 0 1 2 3 and equal 3, so this will be right here and that will be right here. That will be right here. If we swap it, so the order will be 1 3 2 2 zeros. Oh, and then we're gonna swap it again. No, it's gonna break here. I think this is not true. But your idea is pretty good. We can swap. No. Let's just try this algorithm and then we will think about your idea. So nums, and then return nums. So, but if we have 0 in the, we have 0 in the middle, then it will not be, yeah. So I didn't do anything. Yeah, I see. So yeah, yeah, we like using one pointer. We're not really using the second one. So if now block code is not needed. But what of the rest? Okay. Let's think of 2 pointers and okay. So now it's 20 minutes. We have to make it quick. So let's think of 2 pointers and the swap thing. It's not a swap. So let's Let's do the wrong word. Yeah. So we have start here. Let's suppose start is here. Start is here, and is here. So now, if we swap it, then it will be 1, 3, 2, 0, 0. So this is not true, but I think man, this drawing is crazy. Hello man, welcome stream. Maybe a swap adjacent number when you find 0, so it pushes 0 to the end. Yeah, I think it's a alternative. Just gonna need to see this. The driver of this tablet does not work. How we end this? Okay, so if we have 0, we have to swap it until the end of the list. But with that we will not use the end pointer. Start, this is the end. And then let's start, and this is the end. So we can swap it. I think the swap thing. So if it's let's focus. If it's the end, we just have to swap it. No. The complexity will be. Can you try start at 0? At 1. Yeah, okay. Okay, so, but if we start with 0, it will be samples, and okay, so start is here and is here. Good luck with you. Thank you, man. Welcome to stream. I mean, start index 0 and index 1 and swap them. Oh, like the bubble sort. Yeah, but the bubble sort, the pointer goes to the end of the list, but here we have two pointers who go to the medium. So in the bubble sort, for those who don't know, the bubble sort is just gonna swap the element until it reaches the end of the list. Hello man, welcome to stream. So it's gonna keep sorting, no swap, equal to, in bubble sort you sort the entire array, just for zeros at the end. Yeah, but the pointer or in the bubble sort, it reaches the end of the list, but in my case we don't reach the end of the list, we just read the medium. I think we have to think about another thing. So yeah, okay, let's just swap the thing. Why? Let's just, it's blue. Let's swap the thing once. Okay, so it will be 0, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 0 and 0. Okay, but the order will be messed up, so I cannot do that. If start is pointing to 0, we swap. How about that? Will that work on the diagram? Yeah, that's well, I think, but that's just the order. Bro, never did lead code. Give me some advice or pattern. I have a very good YouTube video for that. I already shared it the last video. It's 15 lead code pattern. So this video is very useful. It's gonna tell you about the most common and beginner lead code patterns. And by the way, the pointer thing, it's from here. So this is a good video. You can watch it if you want. So start, go 0 and swap. Yeah, that will work. For sure, it work. Like if we have one list 0 1, we're gonna stop it so it be 1 0. It is correct. But if we have like, okay, 0 1 0 and 2, if we swap this with this, then it will be 2 1 0 0. The order is gonna mess up. Yeah, welcome brother, welcome stream. I have to think about another method. What time is now? 30 minutes. Man, this should be easy like this. Oh, so we're gonna so the start is here, let's make it S, and the end is here, and we're gonna swap the 0 with the end until the last. Okay, this makes sense, though the first will be 1 1 0 3 12, and then same thing, I'm gonna swap the zeros, and then I'm gonna swap the 0 with the 3, and then we're gonna swap the 12 with the 0. Okay, but this is the first iteration. We have to start over. I'm about to tell you, Nasser, I got for this question, I would like to hint. No, man, okay, I'm gonna just think about 5 minutes, and if I don't find the answer, I'm gonna just see some hints. This should be easy, man. I don't know why this is not working. I can make it like that, but the complexity will be O n2, and I don't want the n2. I want O n. So you got. Thank you. Do something and start or stay and end. We'll keep going. Why don't I back to this? Why this is not working? I just want why this is not working. If نمسح ستار equal then I'm gonna delete. Okay, I'm not gonna delete anything. I'm just gonna append. Why it's not appending? Nمسح start equal 0. Okay, I'm gonna print start and end. Well, it's not printing anything. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So while starting here, if no, it's not gonna break. I don't need this condition actually. Okay. So 0, 4. Start equal 0. 0, 4. Why did he put it again? Yeah, thank you, man. Okay. You should use loop to compare indexes. I don't get. Remove the nums and if it's not useful. But the okay. Okay. So that's true, but I think it's not the optimal solution. أهلا وينك صاحبي؟ جاك باي. So what's the problem here? 0 0 1. Yes, not optimal because you are deleting. Just came here to say hi and good luck. عايشك عايشك بابا. Merci. مرحبا بيك. Yeah, it's not the optimal one, but even if it's the two test cases are true, man, I didn't think. I didn't find a solution for swapping. أي تونسي تونسي مرحبا بيك بابا. Okay, so it's 36 minutes. We have to make it quick again. What are you thinking for? Maybe I can help you. We're just solving this move zeros. Man, the tablet is not working. Just about to solve this one. And we need to use two pointers. So I'll make start is here. Okay, how if we swap it? If we swap it, okay, if we swap it, okay, just a minute. What the fuck is going on? No, the tablet today is driving me crazy. So if we swap it, then this 3, and then this is 2, and then this 0, and then this is 0. If we swap it, we have to make the start the same and decrement it and then swap it again, so the order will be the same. I think this is a solution. I think this is a good solution actually. 0 0 راندوم. شوف هي جاتك هيك كروسون ولا او راندوم. ظهر الكومبلكسيتي متاعها برشا معناتها راندوم. اوكي معناتها تنجم تجيب لي في ران تايم صغير على الاخر، اما لو كان لا دونك ديجا لقيت سوليسيون. I think I found a solution. Man. So if we have 1, then I'm gonna swap it like 3 2 0 and 0. The start will not be incremented, by the end will be decremented, and then we swap those two, so it will be 1 2 3 0 0, so it's fine. But if we have to swap the end, I mean 1 2 3 0 and let's say 4. Okay, we have start here and end here. We have to swap it, so it would be 1 0, 3, 2, and 4. No. شوف ديما أقيس في الانترفال 0 المهم avec un long متاع أقيس وأقلب. I'm not good at that, but how about checking index 0 and pushing it to the next index place and keep doing... Yeah, I can do that, but the complexity will be O and 2, and I want it to be O N. It's going to be ON. I'm gonna check index 0, pushing it to the next index place and keep doing it till you form array, then sort the new array based on ascending order. Oh, okay, so we're gonna push the zeros under the end and then we're gonna sort it. Oh, okay. That's cool, but if the order is not ascending, I mean, like if the array is 5 0 3 2, it will be 5 3 2 0. It's not necessarily sorted. Yeah, so we cannot sort it. It can be not sorted. Yeah. Welcome stream, man. I'm already using 2 pointers, but I don't know how to. Is the swap is the right or yeah? It's about 42 minutes, man. It cannot be longer, so I'm just gonna see for some hint. So in place mean we should not be allocating any space for extra array, but we are allowed to modify. Yeah, okay. Maybe do a loop to check the before index value to current index. If less, more left. If not, keep it in place. Use pointer to drop off the next relative order. Use pointer to find next not 0. If the value is not 0, swap. Okay. So let's think of it. 0 1 2 0 1 3. So we have this is S, and the end will be go from this to that. Oh, and I'm gonna swap, and then the start will be incremented if it's, but we'll keep sorting it, keep swapping. Okay, chat, I'm gonna think it by myself for a 2 minutes. Man, you have to work, please. This start and this and if it's so 1 0 2 0 3, and then you have to swap those zeros. So I'm gonna increment S by 1 and and n by 1. Okay, so this is a, let's try it on a better. So start is here and end is here. Swap, gonna be 0 1, and then I'm gonna swap again, so 0 1. No, we bring it to the no, not gonna swapping it here. So I'm gonna swap it to 3. So 1 3 0 5, and then we have to swap it with 3. Okay, so okay. So start and end will be, man, really good insight. So I think if while start while end is lower than len of nums, if num of start equals 0, then I'm gonna swap it with equal start so I'm gonna swap it and increment start by 1. Just want to see the result on this. I'm not really understanding you. So 0, I points to 0 and end point to 1, g point to 1. You swap those, so then you would have 1 0. Yeah, now I now will point to the second index. Yeah, and then you increment until g. Yeah, I'm doing that. So find another non-zero value. What if we carry zeros and add it at the end after sorting them? But the point, we don't have to sort them. If I find 0, so why is he doing that? In this case, zero, so 0 3 and 12. he's swapping this, then he's swapping that. Okay. If he find a 0, he must swap and not change in the left. So 3 will be swapped with this 0, and left will be swapped with this 0. So if he find it, start will be will not change it. At the first swap, command until we find another non-zero, as long as I is a 0. Are you updating the first pointer to start at a new location? Yeah, I think I'm doing it. So if he finds a 0, we will not increment the start. If he finds a 0, we'll swap it. Chat fucked. I didn't find it. So I'm just gonna see it. Man, this is really depressing. Left equals 0. If num's right, isn't equal 0, num's right. He's just gonna swap it and increment left. Okay. Pretty simple. We should create Discord server. Yeah, yeah, I think I should. I thought of it. Man, I think this it's not the hard button. I just didn't sleep very well, so excuse my non-efficiency. So let's go to the other one, which will talk about the decode message from Jiraya. So welcome everyone, thank you. شنو السيت هذا؟ ليد كود. دونك ليد كود يبراكتيسيو في problem solving competitive programming. كانك تحب معناتها تحضر انترفيو ولا حاجة، دونك ليد كود تلقى فيه الحوايج كلها، حتى اللي الأسئلة اللي يسألوهم جوجل وكل. So what I do if I see a solution right at another language, example I'm doing Py and I see the solution in Python, I write the code in JS. So what I do if I see okay, so let's go to the next one. Given to string s and t, return true if s sequence t, otherwise subsingles. I think there's already predefined one. Subsingles string by deleting some can be none. Character without stripping the relative position. It's ace. So the order will be the same, but so here we have A, B, B, C, C, same order, but it can be separated. That's pretty easy actually. We have to make a pointer on this and a pointer of that. Whenever we find an element of this pointer on this, we're gonna increment the pointer I and pointer G. I think this is true. حلو. انا عندي باك سنا في دي بروبليم هين دخلنا يا برسم مخك يخدم على الاخر. ربي معك في الباك، ربي يوفق. و وبرسمي راهو مزيان على الاخر. هاكا ديجا فما فيديو قلت عليه في اول الستريم، ولا حتى امس الفيديو. فيديو متاع واحد هندي يعلمك الباترنز بالباهي. دونك اراه. دونك I think I'm gonna initialize I by 0 and G by 0, and then looping while A, and then n of S or G is lower than n of T. It's Java of T. If is of 1 equal T of 1, then we're gonna increment I and increment G. If it's not, we're gonna just increment G. Will it be or and on line 10? And yeah, and no, it's or. If I is, let's say if I it's here and G is here, so either of them. I think one of them, not the two. So G plus I. Okay, let's just test. Return. If he finish this. Okay, so if okay. If he ended the how are you gonna compare if one of them is finished? No, if it's finished and we didn't find the same letters, so it will be false. Okay, I'm just want to. Okay, if he goes from there, so it's gonna return true. If he finished this while, if he finished this while, it's gonna turn true. But well, just let's make the value is for 0. This really classic one. If, and then I'm gonna just compare if S equal then of S, then we'll just return else I'm gonna return false. Okay. It's a string. Your S is string as well. So sum. No, not sum. Count. Let's say count. Let's make it a C. S if C. Let's end this. I think it's infinite loop. So time limit exceeds. I think this is infinite loop. Yeah, welcome to stream, man. Thank you. So how can I do it? You need and okay, let's just try it. Print. So if S of I equal this, I will be now B and G will be H. Those are not equal, so it's gonna increment G, and then he's gonna and then he's gonna compare it. Then he's gonna increment G and C. Try printing the character to see which. Yeah, okay. So print. S of I and T of G. And if else, then it's gonna increment T of G. Okay, so it's a 0. Huh. Get out of head, sum and flow, no problem. Yeah, thank you, man. So why is he stopping here? Why is he stopping here? What is this? So AA 0, okay. So and then hash H. Okay, and then G it's H. B is no, we didn't increment B. We did increment I. Ah, It's easy, but just have to focus. Okay, so A 0 and then BH, okay, and then BB. Why B is printed at... so it's BB. And why he didn't... why he didn't... increment C by 1 and 12. Yeah, the condition. I think the condition is the problem. Okay, that's good. Man. Let's check what other people did. So, AA. Output row. So, well, it's gonna increment S by 1. This condition is not it's not necessary. We can increment G in the either way. So he incremented the G in either way and then return if SP equal N. And yeah, then the C is already the I, so we just have to return I. Yeah, we're good. So now move medium move. We're about 1 hour. I think this medium one will last like 45 minutes. Oh, diagram. It appears like a hard one. So bring anything you... Let's just chat with you a little bit. If you have any question, if you have anything to say, you're welcome. If you want us to make a server Discord, we'll make it for sure, and tomorrow I will share it with you. So now we have 8 simultaneous spectators and we have 200 views. Yeah, drink some water. I'm not really thirsty, but yeah, later I think. So create Discord server to relax a little. I'm on Linux. I have to download it and then... Okay. Let's make it. So let's just download it. So everyone is welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing good. So let's download Discord Linux. I think I'm gonna drink some water. 1 minute, please. So welcome again. Okay, so let's download the... we already downloaded, so... Please. Donuts. So, where is the file? What is it? Its name? It's Discord. It's Discord. So just this and so I think we're good. Yeah, it is successfully installed. Okay. Let's think about it while this code is. So we're given an integer array of n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the ith line find two lines that together. I solved a really good question there. What's the question? You can share it if you want. So email. Check for the email. So now it's good. Okay, so let's try to create a new one. Lead code 135. Okay. So in the sake of not making the stream any longer, I think I will pause here, but I'm just gonna search for the problem. So 134. Oh, it's hard. Yeah, I can see it's pretty hard. Yeah, good job, girl. You're killing it. So, in the sake of not making the stream so long, I'm just gonna create a server Discord and I'm gonna invite you all. So, okay. So let's make it like this, and I'm gonna upload it later. So for everyone who wants how to share it. Okay. So I want a line. I think it's copied. I think it's cool now. For so I'm in this room. My voice is clear. Okay. Whoever want to join us, join this the Discord. I'm gonna talk a little bit. So it's about 1 hour, 50 minutes. Hey, how are you, man? Welcome to stream. We have a Discord server. He's new, so if you want, join us. Hey, where are you people? Why didn't you join the Discord server, man? So let's make this problem, those problems, to tomorrow. Those two, we're gonna work on it tomorrow. Hope you all like the stream. Is the server thing working? Yeah, it is. So I'm waiting. Oh, so you're here already. So I think now. Do you want to chat? Chat. Do you want to have a little talk? Or everything is good? So I think here we'll end up the stream. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we're gonna stream like every other day. But I think tomorrow, I don't know if I'm gonna stream or not, but for sure I'm gonna upload a video because your boy has a date tomorrow. So I think I will not be able to stream, but I will try. I will try hard to stream. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Hope I see you tomorrow. Keep the spirit, keep grinding, keep practicing LeetCode, and see you tomorrow.